Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Our respected guests, on this happy occasion, allow me to convey an idea that very close to our daily lives, namely how language functions as a bridge to connect individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. Language is not just means of communication. More than that, language is a mirror of the soul, a guardian of identity, and a link between civilization. With language, we not only convey a word, but also values, history, and hopes from our place of origin. Imagine this world without ability to understand each other. What would happen if we lived side by side but couldn't speak? Cultural differences are not barriers, but instead become colors that enrich life, as long as there is a bridge that connects language. Honored guests, language opens the door of dialogue. Amid differences in perspective and custom, language allows us to share stories, exchange ideas, and build understanding. When two people from different backgrounds speak, they are not merely exchanging information, they are building a bridge of empathy. Take a simple example. When a Japanese tourist visits Indonesia and makes an effort to say terima kasih, we instantly feel appreciated. Or when an Indonesian teacher educates children abroad in their native language, they are not just teaching lessons but also touching hearts. This is the power of language. It eliminates distance and creates closeness. Furthermore, language serves a tool of cultural diplomacy. In today's global world, international cooperation, student exchange, and cross-border business ventures all require strong language skills. Not just technically fluency, but also an understanding of a cultural nuance behind words. However, dear guests, it is equally important to remember that the bridging cultures, language must be used with respect. It is enough to simply translate words. We must also understand their deeper meaning. One of the most crucial aspects of cross-cultural communication is the willingness to listen, not just the ability to speak. This is where language education and cultural literacy play a vital role. We must equip future generations with the ability to speak not just one language but multiple languages, while also instilling the understanding that each language carries the valuable wisdom of a culture. Honored guests, let us make language a unifying force. not a dividing one. Let us strong bridges building, not just from word to word, but from heart to heart, from culture to culture, because ultimately we are all human beings seeking to be understood and appreciated. Language is a bridge we can construct together to create a world that is more open, more peaceful, and more respectful of one another. That concludes my remarks. Thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.